Game over. Switch.
Guys, here's our own G-Wagon. We'll transform it into 6x6 G-Wagon. I made a deal with a man and went to buy this car. It was in more or less normal condition. The saloon was in excellent condition. The engine was a little faulty, but we repaired it. In the suspension also something didn't work very well, but we fixed everything. This G-Wagon seemed to me a bit crooked, although all these cars, even from the factory, are a little crooked. There were such waves on the body, that is, it was not perfectly flat. I immediately sent it to potty. In general, we ironed it, and it looks very good. Also, I immediately put the AMG arches and removed those ugly turn signals that were here. I bought all new chrome mirror moldings, put all new mirrors, spacers, bumper, lower lip, headlights, grille, windshield immediately changed to black, AMG exhaust, we did nothing on back. This is the best car for me, but now we decided to remake it into a 6x6 G-Wagon. I will make this G-Wagon completely like the original. All protections, all wheels, I will put everything in the same way. I will cut the frame in the center, make it longer. That is, you need to make the suspensions 30 cm longer. The body will be the same size. The trunk plate, I will do everything is in the original. The only thing is that I have not yet decided the color. I will probably leave it black. Although this is corny, it looks very simple. Maybe you can advise me. There are many different colors and designs now. I want to make the car special, not the same as usual. It's great to do everything. The wheels will be black Hutchison. I will order the tires as the original. The axles will be from Volvo, because the original ones are very expensive. Everything will be cool, will be completely similar to the original. Perhaps we'll put a cover on the hood, like a Brabus. We'll put a house on the room, because I don't have one. We'll make a 6x6 visor. I have very wide arches. I also want to change the back seats. I will take perhaps the seats with a BMW and move it back a little. We'll trim the arches inside a little so that the seat can be moved back and there is more space. We do not really need a trunk, so we will move the seats. And there will be a small shelf in the back. My gas cylinder is thin and long. I think we'll put it in the back and put the spare tire on top. We'll close the balloon with it and everything will be fine. As a matter of fact, I don't need a trunk. What kind of car should be? I will do this. I don't need this car for hunting. I told you everything. Now wait for the video. Support the project with likes. Further on, we only have the best on the channel. Subscribe and be sure to like it. I'm taking the car for a walk. Blah blah.